Amazing advice for a fun and memorable camping trip. The outdoor world entices many individuals to pick up and head for the wilderness. In order to get the most of any camping adventure, it is necessary to do a bit of learning in advance. By spending a little bit of time figuring out how everything should go, you'll have a better trip than ever. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Bring a large trash bag for dirtied laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug, and of course, that your campfire is completely out. Avoid any wildlife you may come into contact with. Bears have become a fairly large problem with campers. In some parks they have been known to rip open the trunk of a car to gain access to food. Raccoons are also a big problem in many campgrounds. Not only are they smart and can gain access to your food supplies easily, but they can carry disease as well. If you know how to camp correctly, it can be one of life's greatest joys. And you want to create a great camping trip and know how to plan it, you're going to have to do some research. Use the tips provided here on your next great camping escape. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.